guys to an Autodesk Product Support. We're on video 2, where we're talking about how to make a schematic symbol that works with the schematic lines and the schematic systems and stuff. Here's a quick problem statement. Pause if you need to. Let's move on. So where we left off, we were on this Views tab. We were in the Advanced Editor, and we created a plan view. Actually, we just gave it a view name, and we assigned it this view block, and we didn't necessarily say what views we want to see it in. And I'm going to say OK here, because I think we want them all. And then from that, we can say generate isometric views. So this symbol will draw along the direction of the schematic line regardless of where it is placed. Example, a concentric reducer. Versus this other radio dial here, a vertical symbol. This symbol will appear vertical with respect to the ground regardless of where it is placed. Example, a fixture stack. Okay, so does it rotate with the line work, or does it stay horizontal always? And generate new blocks from our base symbol. So I just created it was just a square with an X in the middle. I'm going to say it's an inline symbol. And we'll say OK. Notice it just generated every symbol there. So we may want to tell it to use the annotative scale. That's up to you. And you've created this thing 1 unit tall. If you want to see it slightly larger or slightly smaller, in combination with the annotation scale, you can apply a multiplier to it, to scale 0.75 in each direction. So I don't know if that was a tip that I put in my annotation videos or not, but it's a good one to know that you can use these in combination with the annotation scale to bump it up or down a notch. So anyway, we're going to apply it to all the views. We're going to go to connectors, and it's got connector 1. We've got this big easy button, add center points from the view blocks in top view. So I guess I was right to put that guy, my connector, dead center on the block. But if you didn't want to, you could always add a connector and then position these things. So connection point X, if you create your block at 0, 0 at the origin, it makes it easier to define these connector X, Y's, and Z's. I think that's we're just going to say add center here, and it just makes it easier. So I'm going to say OK. So we've got ourselves a schematic symbol now. Let's go use it. I'm going to go back down here to the workspaces, and I'm going to change this to the schematic workspace. I know that's off the video there, but let's draw a schematic line. And I bring my property palette up. And right now it's set to isometric. Let's just say I want to draw an ortho. So notice that my cursor changes. So let's say I'm drawing some horizontal lines and some vertical lines, whatever. That's ortho. And let's go and add a symbol on here. So I'm going to just pick a symbol. I'm going to come down here, and here's the style drawings. It always defaults to the style drawings, but I'm going to change it back to the current file because I created my symbol in the current file. Here's my schematic symbol, and I'll just put it right on